Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I would like to read some article from investing.com. But before that, I want to say thank you for clicking this video and make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, for this article was made by Amber Warwick with title Oil Slips on Demand Jitters Ahead of US CPI OPEC Report. Uh, this article is made at September 12, 2022 at 10:19 p.m. Investing.com oil price fell in choppy trade on Tuesday as trade feared more headwinds to demand from COVID lockdowns in China, with focus now turning to the OPEC's monthly outlook report due later in the day. A series of COVID lockdowns in China, the world's largest crude importer, have have sub served a served decline in oil import to the country this year, threatening to turn Chinese oil demand negative. The latest sign of trouble came as travel restriction in several regions disrupted China's Autumn Festival celebration, which usually spur a spike in road travel. London traded Brent oil futures sank 1.3% to $92.98 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate futures fell nearly 1% to 86.91 a barrel by 21 and 55.80. Brent futures were also set to snap a 3-day gaining streak. Crude price make market a strong recovery from 7-month lows hit last week as traders bet that further tightening of supply by Russia, coupled with an European energy crisis, will boost price later in the year. But concurrence over slowing economic activity and a strong dollar have cast doubts over sustained demand in Asian markets. Markets were now awaiting more cues on global demand from a monthly report released by Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or we can call it OPEC. The group and its allies had agreed to reduce crude production nominally last week, a move that had limited upside for prices. The quarter brought oil production back to pre-COVID levels for the first time in 2 years in 2022. But demand for crude was largely marred by slowing economic growth across the globe. This also pulled oil prices substantially away from 14 years peak hit during the onset of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Oil markets were also awaiting key US CPI inflation data later on Tuesday, which is expected to show a steady, albeit limited, decline in US inflation from 40 years peak hit in June. The reading is broadly expected to indicate the path of the dollar in the near term, with a further decline in the greenback widely expected to be positive for crude prices. strength in the dollar this year, which is a 20-year high last week, has impacted demand in major Asian importers such as in India and Indonesia. A stronger dollar makes crude shipments to the country more expensive. Okay, so that's the article from investing.com by Amber Warwick. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be very useful for you. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. And bye bye.